Good evening, traders. Today is November 22nd, Friday, and it's time again to evaluate our portfolio. Let's talk about market first. Market from last Friday bounced up approximately 100 points. Volatility is a little bit higher than it was on last Friday. Last Friday it was 15.5, right now it's around 16. Our portfolio performed very well during this week. Let's see, this is our total ES futures positions. Right now it shows about 7,000 in profit. Last Friday it was 2,800. Plus, we have to add another $800 realized profit from our B4 position short put, which we closed. It was $800 realized profit. So altogether, this week we got $5,000 plus for our ES position, which is 2.5% per week, which is extremely good. If we count all our position, it's approximately for tested trade about 200,000 margin for 200,000 account size. So if you remember last week, our net leak decreased about $2,000. This week is 5,000 up, so we will get all that loss back plus 3,000, so it's approximately 1,500 per week, which is normal expected profit from this kind of position. If you remember, we're expecting something about from 2 to 4% per month, so it should be from half to 1% per week, and we got 3,000 for 2 weeks, approximately, how much of that? 1.5% for 2 weeks. Let's see how our separate position look like. Our A ladder position right now, it's a small positive delta. It's virtually time to roll. Let's see how many days left. Oh, it's still 28 days till expiration, and short put 8.5. So we will probably wait for another week because market could decline again. But how you can see, it's safe position. Let's see our B position. If you remember, we opened B5 just yesterday and closed B4. Right now it's as positive delta, approximately 2. Also very safe, and we roll it, open new 45 DT short put. We'll see how it's performed in the future. Let's check our C ladder. C ladder has a little bit higher delta. It's about 6. Looks good. Our closest short put still 28 days till expiration, cost about 12.5. We're gonna hold it for maybe another couple of weeks, and after that we'll roll it. And the last one is a D series. Yeah, also has a delta around 5, in very good shape. Also 28 days till expiration to our short put. Maybe if market will decline, we will roll some of them, because right now we have 3 series at the same expiration, which usually I don't like. So we can move it, some of them move probably 1 week further to separate them. Let's see how our balalaika trade look like now. It's also very good, very safe position. Our closest short at 39 DTE. If you remember, last week we roll our 18 DTE, if I remember correctly, short puts. Now we have at 39 and at 70 DTE short puts. Also in good shape. Altogether, our delta about 5. Very safe. We will see how it's perform. Also, we have our violin. It's V4 and V5. V4 in good shape. 28 days till expiration. Cost about $5.5. We're gonna hold it, and V5, it's a delta 3. It's a brand new position, so it's we're gonna hold it for a month probably till we get sufficient profit. And if you remember, when it will be 30 days till expiration, we will roll long puts of our hedge down 100 points to increase our profit. Also, if you remember, we opened mini violin a couple of weeks ago. No, 8 days ago. It's 8 DIT. It was negative whole week, and it was approaching 20 delta, point where we roll out our short puts, but didn't reach it, and now it's get back to delta 9, so we're gonna hold it. It's only 24 days. We're gonna hold it for another week or two and see what we're gonna do. If you remember, this position, it was a delta hedge, and we just open one short put to make it free, and after that probably gonna keep that delta hedge just to protect our portfolio. Also, if you remember, we have EMS positions, our wheel strategy. One of them is how many days? 28 days till expiration left. We slowly approaching our tail profit. Probably gonna keep another week or two, and also it is protecting our next expiration, which is, we just opened it, the first tranche this Monday. It is 70 days till expiration. It's around 0, but it's safe. We have actually 2 tranches already. Sorry, we open this Monday the second tranche. So we will continue to add to this structure new ratio spreads, 1 long, 3 shorts, make it bigger, tail profit higher, and the previous expiration will continue to protect it. So if market start declining, I hope that previous expiration will gain even more sooner or later. And this is how we actually play this strategy. And because it's a wheel strategy, just to remind, we should be psychologically be ready to be assigned. It's too far from market right now, our short puts, but still you have to be ready to be assigned. We won't hold it. If market starts sharply decline, we will roll it out, but still you have to be ready. It's a mess. It shouldn't be a big problem. We can be assigned with long mess futures. After that, we'll start to sell calls and try to give them back that futures. Also, we have oil position at the same level. It's about $500 plus. How many days left? It's 57 days. We have two tranches. We can add one more tranche if you want, but oil, it's pretty big and dangerous asset. So I, I I don't like to have more than two tranches for oil. So, but if you have extra margin, you can add one more. For example, next week maybe add another ratio spread, something like buy 64 and sell 60, make it like this. We still profit about 2000, but right now I'm pretty comfortable what we have. Our tail profit approximately 1200, and I expect that maybe in a couple of weeks we're gonna reach that tail profit and close it. That's it, guys, for today. I check Discord channel. I don't have any questions for today. Have a good weekend and good evening. I hope that market will continue give us opportunity to make money in the future. Looks like it's gonna be Christmas rally again. We're ready for that. And if it will be decline, we fine also. So we're pretty happy with VIX level right now. It's approximately 16, 15, up to 20. It gives us a chance to make even more selling short puts and be protected with our hedges. Thank you very much. Bye bye.